Welcome to Snowy Spring. There's a bit of snow up in those hills where I'm headed over the next couple of days. We're back on the Tokai Shizen Hodo and it's day 79. We just left Sengen Shrine on the north side of Mount Fuji, which is lost in the clouds today, old Fuji Sun, so might get some afternoon views if we're lucky from the top of the peaks we're climbing over. But yeah, pushing through from Lake Kawaguchi to the final lake on our 5 lakes tour, Lake Yamanaka, and then we'll settle down there for the night and push into the Tanzawa Mountains tomorrow. Leave Yamanashi and head into our second last prefecture of the trip, Kanagawa. Alright, can count the days left on the Tokai Shizen Hodo on my hand now, on one hand. So let's enjoy it while we got the chance. Into civilization once more. Not sure I want my eyelashes done there. Alright, we're pointed towards the hills again. Right at the end of the day. 2 p.m, 7 k's to go through the mountains to Lake Yamanaka. Whew, let's get it. Let's not look at the black clouds coming in from out there. Push on, Willy boy. Well, the climb has begun. Finally, it's flattened out a bit. Oh, wasn't that steep, but when you've been walking on flat roads all morning into the afternoon, it's a bit of a shock to the system. Anyway, we're down to, I don't know, 6 k's to go. The sun is battling cloud, so hopefully I don't get too wet. Except from sweat and runny nose. Yeah. Good, good, good. We're getting there, and it's quite beautiful too. Oof. But wait, there's more. Mount Ohida on the Tokai Nature Trail. Got him. Not that we're peak bagging. Remember that. Alright. Let's have a look over here. Climb over that little grassy hump just there, and then tomorrow I think we're headed out where am I? Onto that nubbin and then along that ridge into the Tanzawa Mountains. And there's some ice and frosting on the mountains today. Tomorrow's promised to be a bit chillier, down to 11 or something. So could be a bit icy tomorrow up on the tops. All right. Well, anyway, let's get off this mountain down to my lodgings for the evening. In the meantime, more steps. What was I saying about steps? Look about getting off this mountain. They're making us work for it. Bloody buggers. That's why we worked for it. Mount Hodo is higher than that one over there, Mount Imori, Mount, not Imori, that was a little peak before it, Mount something, man. Anyway, here we are. Fuji-san, where are you? Somewhere there in the clouds.